Unity supports a wide range of 3D file formats, including FBX, 3DS, DXF, and OBJ. In this project, the models are already included in the Models folder, but you can also create or import your own models using software like Blender or other 3D tools. Now for practice, let's create a clean version of the scene. Go to the Scenes folder, locate Operant Chamber Example, and duplicate it using copy and paste. Rename the new scene or open it directly. You should now see Operant Chamber Example 1 in the hierarchy. Next, we are going to remove several objects to start from a clean environment. In the hierarchy, delete the following elements: script, sound, table, chamber, run experiment, save data, and laboratory. After deleting these, the scene will appear mostly empty. You should only see the essential components: the main camera, the thumbnail camera, the directional light, and the entrance point. To locate the entrance point in the scene, double-click on it in the hierarchy. Now let's add a floor so the avatar has a surface to stand on. Go to the Models folder, then open the Table folder, and drag the object table_03 into the scene. Once added, you will notice that the object is too large. Select table_03 in the hierarchy, and in the inspector, change the scale values for X, Y, and Z to 0.025. Next, let's add a material. Go to the Materials folder and drag a material, such as metal_00, onto the table. Now we need to make this object solid. Expand the table object in the hierarchy, select Default, and in the inspector click on Add Component. Search for Mesh Collider and add it. This will allow the avatar to stand and move on the surface. Before testing the scene, make sure the entrance point is positioned above the table. You can adjust its position in the inspector or by using the Move tool in the scene view. Now open the portal window, make sure your current scene is selected, and click Test Scene to run the environment. Finally, as a simple test, go to the Models folder, then open the Chamber folder, and drag the pellet object into the scene. We will add functionality to this object in the next steps.